Glion Dolly versus traditional scooter. Which one is worth your money? The Glion Dolly is a specific type of electric scooter known for its unique trolley feature, making it easier to carry and store, though it is heavier and has slower acceleration than many traditional electric scooters. Traditional scooters, such as the Xiaomi Mi scooter, often offer faster acceleration, a dedicated app, and sometimes larger wheels, but can lack the Dolly's specific self-standing and rolling luggage functionality. The best choice depends on whether portability and unique carrying features are a priority over speed and advanced features like a smartphone app. Glion Dolly Pros. Unique portability. It features a built-in trolley handle and wheels, allowing it to be rolled like luggage when folded, and it can stand vertically on its own. Fast folding. The folding mechanism is quick and simple. Good for storage. The vertical self-standing design is convenient for storage. Better hill climb than some competitors. It performed well in hill climb tests, outperforming the Xiaomi Mi scooter in one test. Good lights. The headlight is bright enough to be seen by cars at night. Cons. Slower acceleration. It has sluggish acceleration compared to many other scooters. Heavier. It is heavier than many other models, making it less ideal for carrying upstairs or on public transport. Noisy motor. The front motor is noisy at top speed. Limited features. It does not come with a smartphone app and has a less advanced brake system than some competitors. Traditional scooters, like Xiaomi Mi scooter. Pros. Faster acceleration. Often provides quicker acceleration. Smartphone app integration. Many models come with a dedicated app for tracking rides and performance. Larger wheels. Some models have larger wheels for a smoother ride. Potentially longer range. Some models may have a longer range on a single charge. Front brake. Some models include a front brake, which can improve stopping power. Cons. Portability. May be more difficult to carry or store compared to the Dolly's unique design, as they typically lack the trolley handle. Storage. Often cannot stand up on their own and can't be rolled like luggage. Hill climbing. Performance can vary widely between models, but some may struggle on hills. The question is, which one should you choose? Choose the Glion Dolly if you prioritize portability and storage, especially if you need to roll it like luggage and store it vertically. You're willing to sacrifice some speed and features for this unique convenience. Choose a traditional scooter if you prioritize faster acceleration, want app integration, and don't need the specific self-standing and rolling luggage features. You're willing to manage carrying it without a dedicated trolley handle.